Hey everybody, we're out here in Otsego today installing a new fence. What's cool about this project is we've actually worked for this particular homeowner 3 or 4 times already, both at their previous house and at the current one. Most of their yard is fenced in from us installing that a few years ago, and now we're just enclosing a section in the back that they wanted to replace. One thing that we do with our fence projects to help us be a little bit more cost effective and efficient, so we order all of the materials and have them delivered to our shop in bulk. So you can see that the team's loaded up the material, brought them to the job site. This just helps us be a little bit more efficient. So let's go check out what the guys are doing out back. So we're back here in the backyard, and this is the section of fence that we're installing. You can see the homeowner has a pool, and we're installing another run of privacy fence here in the back. Obviously they just want a little bit more privacy for their pool area. So the fence that we installed a few years ago stops right here, and then there's the older spaced picket fence running down the back of the property. So what the guys are doing is they've got a string line stretched from this corner here to the end down there where the fence is going to be installed, and you can see they're marking white lines on the ground, and that's where they're going to dig the post holes. So they'll use the dingo or the post hole diggers. We'll dig where the marks are at. When we install fencing, we set every single post in concrete. So the posts are going to be set in concrete, and then the 2x4s will be installed, and then lastly the pickets will be installed. Most of the time when we install fencing, we're following the contour of the ground, but you can see things are pretty even here. So this fence is going to look pretty straight across the top. But that's one of the questions we ask when we're doing a consultation is, would you like your fence to look straight across the top, or would you like it to be touching the ground on the bottom? Because it doesn't always work out to do both of those. So this is kind of what our process looks like. The guys are out here doing a good job. They'll probably have this one wrapped up today. Thanks everybody.